Hello, I'm Vivek Kumar Singh on behalf of ASEC. I'm going to show you a small tutorial on how to use featured product groups. Now, as you can see on your screen, I have a website template that Omnibus offers, and you can see there's a section here called bestseller. Beneath that, we have recently added products. So you can see these sections are featuring some set of products on your home page. So as soon as the user comes onto your website, these are the first set of products they see. In the essence, that's what featuring a product means. That's why we call these featured product groups. This is a single featured product group. And we have a bestseller section here. Let's see another website that Omnibus offers. We have favorites, we have for a pristine pause, and you can see again these are featured products on the home page. As soon as the customer comes, these are the set of products they see. These could be your top selling products or some newly launched products or the products that are being recently purchased by the customers of your website. So these are what featured product groups called. Now let's see how you can add one to your own website that Omnibus will offer. Head over to our admin panel for our website. Here on the top we will go under site drop down and select featured products. Once we land on the featured products page, you can see we already have one featured group called dog treats, and there are two sections in it. First one is called furry favorites, second one is called for your pristine paws, as I had showed you on the website. Now let's see how do you create your own group and how do you add products and show it on your website. So first, let's start with creating a new featured products group. We'll select new group button. As soon as you click on it, it gives you an input for entering a name. This name won't be displayed anywhere. This is for your admin panel reference. So let's just give it some name. Let's call it quick selling. We'll save it. Once you save it, you can see on the left it appears. You'll click on it and select it. As soon as you click on it, you can see it says you have not yet added any rows. Start by clicking on the add button. Now let's do as it says. So on the top right you can see there is a add row button. We'll click on it. Now clicking on this button essentially adds a new section for the group. So as you had seen on the website, we had furry favorites and the second one for your pristine paws. These are two different sections in a group. So we will call our new featured set as top selling, and we will select our products. Now once you click on the strategy drop down, we will see 4 options. Now let's see top selling. Here as soon as you select it, we get a product count input box. It says 5 by default. Let's just go ahead with it and we'll select go. Now clicking on the go button, so as you can see my top selling section now has 5 products that Omnibus automatically generated by using statistics and business intelligence, and it populated it here. We have other options also. Let's explore them. So we have newly added. Let's select that and we'll click on go. Now Omnibus generated the last 5 recently added products on your admin panel. You can see these are the 5 products that the seller would have added. Now let's see the third option, which is recently purchased. Let's select go. Now these are the 5 products that customers on your website would have bought. And the last option is manually. Here there is no count selection because the seller would be going ahead and adding as many products they would like to add on this section. So we'll click on go. As soon as you click on it, we see a product picker modal. What you can do here is search for the products you would have wanted to add manually. So let's say I am trying to show my top selling products for a particular brand. Now I see 4 products here. I would go ahead and click on one. I'll select the second one also. And as I do this, you can see on the right hand side, these get added to a selected section. Now, if you would have added the first product by mistake, you can go ahead and click on this trash icon. It will remove it from your selected set of products. I'll go ahead and add some other products. Let's say something in dry food. So you can see I have got more number of products here. Let's select some of them. And you can see the selected tab section here grows. Now at this point I am satisfied with my products that I have selected, and I'll select save changes here. Now you have added your products and selected them manually for your featured group. How do you attach this featured product group to your pages? Let's say home page. So you can see here there's a button called associate with pages. This will associate our quick selling group to a particular page. Let's click on it. It shows a modal that we haven't associated this with any of the pages. So let's click add one. As you can see, it shows a page drop down here. I have 3 options: catalog page, detail page, which is product page, and home page. For now, I'll select home page and I'll click on save. Now I'll go ahead and close it. Now what we have done essentially is, first, created our featured group called quick selling. Second, we have added top selling section in that group. This section will be the one that is going to be shown on a page on our website. That brings us to the third step here, which is associating our group with a page. So we have selected home page and saved it. Now I'll go ahead and click on save. This will save all the choices and things that we have done so far. Now after I have saved it, I will go ahead and publish my changes so that it can appear on the website. So these changes are published. Now as I go ahead and click on the publish drop down, I see I have 4 options. First one is publishing all the product pages, publishing other pages, which is publishing your home page or any other static page like about us, contact us, etc. if you have them. Third is mobile app configuration, which is publishing it to the mobile app. And fourth is the publishing the whole website. So it will publish all the product pages, catalog pages, home page, and mobile app. I'll go ahead and select publish other pages now, because I know that I have added my featured products for my home page. Now, as I have published other pages, which includes my home page, I'll go ahead and check it out. So I'll slowly scroll down. As I had shown, furry favorites for a pristine pause, they were already there. And we see the second one, which is top selling. Now you can see the 4 products we had added are appearing on the home page. So this was a small tutorial to show how you can add a featured products group to your home page or website. Thank you.